Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. We're going to start with our morning work, just like we would if we were at school. And you are going to turn to I am the great and powerful. So I am the great and powerful Mrs. Foley. Today is October 22nd, so you can even trace this, 2020. Circle and color today's weather, so circle it with your pencil and then color it with a crayon. And we're going to review tracing M's. Remember, M is like this, straight line down, pick up your pencil. Okay, and then lowercase, it's a super bouncy letter. Bounce, bounce, but it's a little letter, so it can never bounce over that dotted line. Okay, trace the word marker, saying each letter as you trace it, M-A-R-K-E-R. Count the markers. You can color them as you count them. Circle the number that shows how many. Then you're going to use each of these letters for the words mud, bud, suds. As you use the letter to start the word, you'll mark it out. Fill in the missing number. Trace the fours. We always need a little extra practice of numbers. Down across, down once more. That's the way I make a 4. And keep doing that. And then you're going to P-U-R-P-L-E, you're going to use that color, purple, to color all of the circles. So color the circles purple. When you're done with this, you're going to put it back in the front of your notebook, your binder. Then you're going to turn to the red tab. You're going to turn past the red, and you're going to turn to the C page. We already talked about C this week, so you guys should already know that C says K. We said So first thing I do is always the same, pick up my pencil and write my name. I'm going to quickly go over the pictures. Remember to choose one color for thumbs up, one color for thumbs down that are very different from each other. So one should be light and one could be dark. Cat, moon, cake, candle, guitar, car, lion, cup, cow, pumpkin. Then you're going to go down here. Remember, for C, we start below the line. And we bounce up the bottom line just a little. And then lowercase c looks the same, but it's a little c, so it cannot go above that dotted line. Okay, you're going to trace all those. Then you're going to move on to your next page. On your next page, remember we write our name, we trace our c's, write 3 more. Trace our c's, write 3 more. Glasses, cat, carrot, cookie, basket, cow. You can find and color or dab all the words that start with the letter C. So remember, you could dab them with a circle, or you could color in the circle completely and neatly. Then you're going to try to read these words. If you see that they start with a C, you are going to color them in. Then you're going to find all the cows that have a letter C and color them. And then you're going to draw one item that starts with C. All right, when we're done with that, we are going to turn to the blue tab. And behind the blue tab, you are going to find these 2 pages. You're going to have the count and compare dominoes page. And right behind that, you will find less than sets. So we're going to do a couple together on each page. Okay, so we are going to, the directions say, after I write my name, count each side of the domino. Write the number. Color the domino side that is greater. So we're going to pick one of our highlighter colors. So yellow, orange, or pink, so that we can still see the number. So I just chose orange. So we're going to count them. Count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to decide which one is greater. Greater means more, or the bigger number. So I will color the side of the domino with the that has the bigger number. But we want to practice our new vocabulary, our new math vocabulary word of greater. So 5 is greater than 2. You can use that sentence with different numbers on each one. Let's just do the top row together. So let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to neatly write a 9 in the box. And then I'm going to count how many are here. I don't see any. So the number that means none is 0. So now I'm going to color the side that is greater. Is 9 or 0 greater? Since 9 is more, I can say 9 is greater than 0. Okay, I'm going to do one more together. I'm going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go across, slide down. Then I'm ready to count the second side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, which side is greater? Is 7 larger or bigger, or is 5? 7 is greater than 5, so I'm going to color the one that has more, which is 7. Okay, and you'll continue all of these things. And then go to this one. So the other day we were working on things that had more sets. Today we're doing sets that are less. So on Tuesday you did more of the juggling balls. But today we're going to count the bubbles, write how many, and then draw a set that shows less than. So less means smaller, a smaller number. So when I count, I can count my bubbles and color them. So I can say 1, 2, 3. So I need to draw a number of bubbles less than 3, so not 3. So 1 would be less, or 2 would be less. So I'm going to say 1, 2. How many? 2. Okay, let's do one more together. Let's count the bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bubbles. Then I'm going to do some that show less. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I did another one it'd be 5, but I want to have less, so I don't want to draw any more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, across, down once more. That's the way I make a 4. Now when you finish this page, you're all done with your first 3 lessons of the day, and you are ready to go find the video that says Science Tuesday and Thursday, and you are going to complete that work now.